drones. So we can generate the signal, we can send the signals to this drone ad hoc network for other use case that we can consider about. And of course the final one, which is the underwater drone network, or you can say the hybridization between the underwater terrestrial and the non-terrestrial networks. Now definitely the IoT-based smart agriculture system, the asset health monitoring system, traffic updates and vehicle detection, for better
manufacturing, for example, right? What they want is they want that data to be protected, number one, right? So how do I store the data? Who has access to that data? And who has the permission to actually modify the data? These three things is what we take care in Zohr. We have a complete authority engine, a rule management engine that basically tells
సో ఇదంతా స్టూడెంట్స్ మేము ఫ్రీగా ఇచ్చాం. Agnesta, what is the power it is? How much is the assembly partners to Nowadays everybody talks about fiber optic kind of a thing. Okay. It's normal. We have tested up to planning and
by Electronics for You and Chromosome Ventures. We begin today with the highly important and future-facing titled The Future of Electronics AI and deep tech ventures, opportunities for startups and MSMEs. Across the world, we are witnessing the convergence of electronics, semiconductors, AI, embedded systems, intelligent infrastructure, industrial automation, robotics, and next generation digital technologies.
120 billion things that you can touch and feel. Semiconductor design, semiconductors consumed in the country, it's part of that. But if we call it out, that's roughly around 50 billion. Chips that we design is roughly around 35 billion. I don't know how many of you are aware of this, but 25% of all the integrated circuits designed in the world are designed from India, primarily Bangalore and Hyderabad. We don't fabricate them yet, but in 3 years' time, once the Tata Electronics fab in Dholera goes live, we will start fabrication. We already have packaging capability. Some of you may have seen that on the 28th of February, a mega packaging plant was inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister in Gujarat. The other vertical is components, printed circuit boards, connectors, power adapters, etc. That's about 15 billion. And then we do about 25 billion of exports, primarily led by smartphones. Those of you who saw the news item.
We now move into the keynote segment of today's conference session. Our keynote speakers today bring together deep experience across technology, strategy, industrial transformation, and entrepreneurship. Our first keynote speaker is Mr. Raj, and a founder associated with multiple initiatives in deep tech innovation, venture ecosystems, industrial transformation, and startup acceleration. He is a highly sought after mentor who operates at the intersection of deep technology, capital, and enterprise transformation. With over 3 years of global experience, he advises founder and boards and the family offices on scaling innovation, led business, and led venture capital and private equity investments enterprise. He will share perspectives on evolving opportunities emerging across electronics, AI, deep tech, and the future innovation landscape for India. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Mr. Raja Rajiv Kumar.
Moment unique is not just technological advancement, it is the convergence of multiple technology layers.
Who are really passionate and committed to do that, they face a lot of challenges and hurdles. Why? Because our ecosystem is not conducive to innovation and design companies. Our colleges don't teach us how to design. All the education system is more focused on theoretical this thing. Our faculty member, senior most professors.
And Rajiv back on stage. I hope the audience has. I saw a statement that you made. I don't claim to like it. Full disclosure, professional life in the hardware industry, I need to be, dependent on systems which are defined by software. How do we ensure that the software is going to be honest, is going to be true, and is going to be accurate?
Phone without the brain. Imagine body is the hardware, the brain is the software.